house right there. Patterson Farm Market and Tours. Strawberry sign. Hey guys, I'm Tom.
Vickie.
For the Carolina Travel Channel, and we are here at Patterson Farm. It's a big farm. I guess they got stuff for kids, all kinds of little things. We'll have to just show you because I don't know. I know they should have vegetables, strawberries, flowers. I hear they got good ice cream, so let's go check it out. Want to?
Let's go.
We found it. We found the gold mine. Yep. Vickie found some ice cream. All homemade.